Okay guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use the cryptocurrency exchange Binance. If you don't already have an account, I have a link in the description, so go ahead and go and do that first. And while you're doing that, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell so you don't miss future videos on how to make money. Alright, let's get to it. So once you log in, you'll see a screen like this. Let's check the features that are here at the top. If you click on funds and then balances, this is where you'll see your actual account balances for each of the different cryptocurrencies. You can easily browse. Let's see, Bitcoin, BTC. I currently have 0.002, so I don't have very many Bitcoin in this account. Now, of course, if you just barely registered, you'll have nothing, so you'll need to deposit first. So the way you do that is you can either do it from this screen here, the balances screen, and for example, VET, if I wanted VET, I would just go here on the side and click on deposit. And alternatively, if I wanted to withdraw, I would just click on the withdraw button. Now you can also do it from the tab up here. You can do deposits or withdrawals. And the way you do it from that screen is you click on that and then you can actually type the actual cryptocurrency that you want to deposit or withdraw here. So again, if I type BTC, Bitcoin, I would just click on that, and then from here I could deposit. And then the same thing if you click on the withdrawal screen. Very similar way to do it. I won't go into detail on how to transfer because that's a whole other subject. So once you've funded the account, you'll have some funds to work with to actually trade. In this video, I'm not going to be going into detail on how to actually trade different strategies you can use. I'll be going more into the detail about how to actually place a trade and use the Binance interface. So let's finish looking at the other features that are at the top. You'll have a transaction history here, which will just tell you your past transactions, deposits, and withdrawals. And then your orders is past trades that you've actually placed or been executed. So okay, let's go to the main part, the exchange. Let's just start with the basic here. So once you click on exchange, you go to this screen here. Alternatively, from the other screen we're at, let's look at that first, the balances screen. Whatever you want to trade here, you can click on the trade here on the right side. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to kind of be rebalancing, like selling off a few things that I have too much of in this account. So it looks like EOS here, I have way too much in this account right now. I want to balance it out and buy some Bitcoin, or convert it to Bitcoin basically. So I'm going to be selling EOS and buying Bitcoin. So selling EOS to Bitcoin. So if I click on trade, what I want to do is I want to find EOS/BTC. You can also do this with other currencies. For example, if you want to just get US dollars, you would choose one of the USD stable coins here. They have actually many on Binance. A lot of other exchanges just have one, but Binance has many. I think actually PAX is also supposed to be like a US dollar equivalent. But anyways, we want, in this case, Bitcoin. So EOS BTC is what I want. So I'm going to click on that. And again, it takes me back to the screen that I just showed you. So I'm going to be selling. And I'm going to be placing a couple orders actually. The first one is going to be near the actual market price at the moment. I have another video that goes into a little more detail on what all this information means, like the order book and a bid-ask spread and all that. So if you want to see that first, if you're an absolute beginner, I would recommend watching those videos first. I'll have those in the description. If you already kind of know what this screen is, then okay, I'll get into actually how to do it on Binance. And maybe you can pick it up, on your own. It's not that complicated. But it takes some getting used to if you're an absolute beginner. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to be selling. So up here on the order book are the sell orders. So what I want to do is I want to match one of the closest ones. So if you click on any of these here, it automatically populates these two fields over here. And I'm going to be selling EOS. So I'm just going to say, click on that again. I'm going to sell, it's pretty useful here. It shows you how much you have in the account. So I have 820. I just want to sell a small amount right now. So I'm just going to sell 10 right now. And I'm going to place that order. Click sell. So now it just placed that order, limit sell. Now I want to try to sell a little higher, so I'm using the cursor at the top that kind of gives you an idea of the price. I'm going to try to sell at this price, 8326. So now I'll go back down here and change this to 8326 and place another order for 10 more EOS. Now I'm just gradually selling a few at a time because I'm just want to gradually rebalance my portfolio to have a little more Bitcoin in here. And then I'll place a third one just a little bit up. Let's just say 8397. And I'll sell 10 more of that. And I'll just stick with that for now. And it looks like, now if I want to check my actual order, now that I placed those 3 orders, down at the bottom, it shows me that I have 2 orders, which means that the first one I placed was executed at 8193. So while we were doing that, one of those actually took place and was filled right here. So it's filled at the price I set. I sold 10 EOS at this price into Bitcoin. So since that one executed, I'm going to go ahead and place another one, since I do want to be selling a little more. I'm just doing it gradually. So there we go. Now on the opposite end, I don't currently want to buy EOS, but I'll just show you how you would do that. You can click on here to populate. Again, if you want a better price, a different price, you can always change it, but I usually just go click off of this so I can get something close to what the actual market's going at now, and then I adjust it manually here, because a lot of times with these cryptocurrencies you're going to be dealing with a lot of decimal points, so you don't want to be placing them in, typing them in manually. You want to go off what the market already has here, the pre-populated features that Binance has. And most other cryptocurrency exchanges will have this similar feature where you can click on a price and it will populate it for you. So I would recommend taking advantage of that. So, and then if I wanted to buy, I would place 10 there. And you know what? Since I already bought this, look, there's another one. It just sold 2 now. So what's the lowest one I got? 8193, 819. So very similar prices. So I'm just going to try to buy a little back to see, kind of do a little trading, I guess. But let's do it at a lower price. 8101. So even though I don't really want to buy, just for demonstration's sake, I'll click. Actually, I'll show you also how to cancel it. So let's do that. Let's place this order for buy at a little lower price, and then buy EOS. So see here, now I have 3 open orders down at the bottom. 1 is to buy at a certain price, and 2 are to sell at a certain price. And if I wanted to cancel one, which I do in this case because I only want to sell, I'll just click on this on the right side, cancel. And now if you do what I do, where you place a lot of trades like this at different price points, you might get your open orders might be a lot and you don't want to like manually click it. Like if you just want to start over, you can also click on cancel all if you have a lot here, and it'll just cancel all of them. Okay, so now if you're trading a lot of cryptocurrencies and you have a lot of open orders, down here at the bottom it only lists the open orders for this particular cryptocurrency that we're trading. So what if you have a lot and you just want to look up all the orders you have? Well, that's where you would go up here at the top and go at click on orders here, and you can just click open orders. And this would list everything, no matter what the trading pair is, no matter what cryptocurrency it is. Currently, I only have orders for EOS, but if you had orders for multiple different cryptocurrencies, if you're like trading more actively, this screen will be useful for you because this will show you all your open orders. And then trade history may be useful too to see what actually took place. Again, on this one, I'm going to have the EOS that I just sold here. So again, similar thing. This is a screen that will have all your cryptocurrencies. If you're trading multiple, you can use this screen to see what's actually been executed. Looks like I have 3 that have been executed now. Oh, okay, that's because this was a partial one, split between 2 different trades. Trades. So anyways, that's the basics on how to use Binance. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. If you want to see more videos like this on how to trade and how to make money online, please subscribe and click on the notification bell. Alright, thanks for watching.